Applying over 20 years of experience supporting clinical trials at every scale, Signant helps you meet the supply needs for ongoing and future research by ensuring you have the right stock at the right time. With Signant's help, you can say goodbye to the limitations, inefficiencies, and fragmentation that occur from managing various supply and demand spreadsheets. Our electronic forecasting and planning solutions help you plan and forecast accurately based on actuals, assess the impact of different scenarios, and ensure your manufacturing and production meets the needs of ongoing and planned clinical trials. This means you can start planning as early as you want, with as much or as little detail at any point in time. So how do they work? First, our forecasting solution translates the design and supply chain characteristics of each study protocol into accurate, long-range, and ongoing predictions. Then, our planning solution dynamically estimates supply requirements, accounting for different site onboarding and recruitment profiles, graphing the supply versus demand before suggesting optimal manufacturing and distribution plans. The planning solution aggregates supplies forecasts at the study level or across multiple studies and programs before summarizing the necessary manufacturing requests. Throughout each study or development program, these two applications work seamlessly to reforecast and update demand predictions based on recruitment and medication usage changes, enabling timely revision of manufacturing and production plans where needed. Our forecasting and planning solutions ensure only the supplies needed are produced and readily available for a portfolio of studies, all while significantly reducing your costs. In fact, our solutions have proven to save sponsors, like AstraZeneca, up to 20% on their annual supply budgets. Our forecasting and planning solutions will help you make short and long-range predictions in an intuitive and standardized format. You'll also be able to avoid expensive in-study stockouts, optimally time mid-study production runs, and quickly plan for multiple studies. These cloud-based applications enable straightforward implementation without the need to invest in internal IT infrastructure. For a fully digital experience, integrate the forecasting and planning solutions with our other Smart Signal supply solutions. As the industry's only fully integrated platform for clinical studies, the Smart Signal Supply Suite takes care of planning and scheduling using one easy-to-use interface. While our forecasting and planning works with any RTSM solution, integrate Signant's RTSM solution for the best experience, feeding real-time data into your continuous planning process. Add on the clinical supply chain solution to manufacture, release, store, and track investigational product supplies. The Smart Signal Supply Suite gives you enterprise-wide visibility and complete control of your clinical supply chain. It's time to reimagine the path to proof. It's time to turn to Signant.